There was some weakness in the market here today. The Supreme Court keeps kicking the can down the road as far as making a decision on Trump's tariffs. But honestly, the market really hates that sort of thing. The market would prefer if the Supreme Court just made the decision and said Trump's tariffs are illegal. Just rip off the bandaid. The uncertainty is what the market really struggles with. The VIX here isn't necessarily popping a whole bunch, but check out the VVIX, which I discussed yesterday. The VIX options are definitely getting priced higher. You can see there is this. This is a signal of uncertainty. Definitely a signal of uncertainty. So although we're not seeing it in the S&P 500, I'm going to make another video after this because I do have some concerns. I've had some concerns about this market for a while, and I'd like to highlight the risks that are showing up, the cracks that are showing up. Now, I'm not saying that there's going to be a big downturn or a big crash or anything like that, but there are risks, and they are showing up, and I'd like to highlight them. Earnings aren't going well. JP Morgan earnings didn't go well yesterday. I mean, they had good earnings, but they weren't received well. Citibank didn't do well today. Wells Fargo didn't do well today. And I have a feeling that, as usual, investors are relying on that AI theme. They're looking for tech earnings to save this chart, which is not in terrible shape. But if those tech earnings don't come in well, I think we are going to see this trend break. I think we are going to see some sort of correction. Um, as for right now, we just have to take things day by day. Every day there's some new crazy piece of information coming out, some new dramatic thing said by Trump. So let's just see what happens tomorrow. We'll just keep taking it day by day. And as long as this trend stays intact, well, I guess the uptrend stays intact.